Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Today on Ron's Keto Cafe, Chaffles for Life, episode 13. Today we're making Chaffle waffles today, and these came out really good, and without further ado, why don't we just go right into the recipe, and I'll talk a little bit over the timeline here and there. Okay, to start out with, you'll need 1 block of cream cheese. Any cream cheese will work. A little cinnamon, a little vanilla extract, and the star of the show, 8 eggs. Now we're going to crack the eggs into some type of a blender. Today we're using a mini blender, and I should have gotten my bigger one out. But everything all fit, but it was making a mess as it was spinning, but that's why we use the paper plate, right guys? So once you crack your eggs, add your cream cheese. Make sure the cream cheese is softened. We got them mixing really, really well, and on the amounts of the vanilla extract and the cinnamon, it was just maybe a half a teaspoon of each, whatever you want. I mean, it's entirely up to you. And then I got the little mini dash going, and they didn't take any time at all for these to cook, by the way. And I ended up with about 8 of them or something like that. But and then I'll come back and talk about it after they're cooked, and we'll come back and talk about it. But enjoy the video, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Over here I just sprayed the dash a little bit of cooking spray, and then I just added the mixture to the molds. The hole got filled up a little bit, and I was just shaking the waffle maker a little bit, or the mini dash in our case. And then I just kept going with the flow until they were all fully cooked. And again, you can see over here, it was kind of overflowing, making a little bit of a mess because I poured a little bit too much. And that's why I like using the one that makes the 4 of them. The next video that I'll make, I'll definitely be using the 4 bagger on that one, so to speak, and we'll make some different ones, and I'll show you what the difference between that one here and making a mess, because before it's got a little trough on the both sides of it, so if you're overfilling it there, it'll catch all the drip so you don't have any mess to clean up. But yeah, let's continue on, and we'll talk about it in a couple minutes. Okay, so these made like 12, and like I said, I loaded up on the syrup on there, which again, the Vermont maple syrup is not the best choice, but it's the only choice I had for syrup, and that's all I had at the store. So I ended up getting the maple syrup, sugar-free. Now the best, in my opinion, and the best overall maple syrup to buy is the company by Chalk Zero, and they make a large variety of different syrups. So that's our final product. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be watching for episode 14.